Hey friends, we are going to talk about an angle today, and we're going to talk about the parts of an angle. The first page I have for you shows an angle. Then we're going to go through, we're going to make an angle together, and we're going to label all of the parts. So I will angle my screen down so you can see what I'm doing as I draw. Okay, so an important thing when you are making anything with geometry is you want to use a straight edge, and you can use a ruler. I brought something called a protractor with me, which has a straight edge right here that I'll use to make my angle. So an angle, you have one side, you have this right here, which is called a vertex. And then you can make your angle any size you want. But what you do is you take your straight edge and put it right back on that vertex, and you're going to draw another side. I like to draw arrows on mine because it shows that there is a ray. And so on this, we have 3 parts that I want you to know about, and I'll color each part in with colored pencils. We'll do the sides in purple. There we go. You always have 2 sides to an angle. I'm going to turn it around so that I can write sides nice and neat. Okay, I will do my vertex in red. And you can do any color you want when you make your angles. Vertex. And then the part that you're going to do a lot more with at future lessons is this right here. This. You could go out as far as you want, but this is the size of the angle. And in our next lesson that I do with you, we're going to talk about the different types of angles, looking at the size. Okay. We can also go ahead and look at this book together. Parts of an angle. Right here is the sides. The 2 rays that form an angle are known as the sides of the angle. Vertex of an angle. The common origin of the rays that form the angle is the vertex of the angle. You might remember when you were in 1st grade and we did the parts of a line. Actually, that was this year, never mind. 2nd grade, parts of a line. And we talked about cutting the line, and we made an origin, and it kept going in that direction. And so we had a ray. So this is the origin of this ray. This is the origin of this ray, and it shares the same origin, and that's called the vertex. And then the size of an angle. The size of an angle is measured in degrees. The size of the angle is the measurement of the opening between the 2 rays. So how far apart this is. Like I said, our next lesson that we do together, we are going to look at all the different sizes of angles. I have it right here. It's really fun. I'm going to record that one next for you. So you can make a book, you can make a poster, you can draw all different types of angles. The main goal is that you know what the sides are, the vertex, and the size, and that you're able to explain it in your own words. So I will see you soon, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.